दोस्तों, मैं हूँ राकेश और आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे। दोस्तों फ्रेंड, टुडे आई एम एट टालीगांव, very close to Panji, and here you can see a wonderful Christmas decoration. Okay, and there is a railway track. There is a railway track, and there is a railway coming with Santa Claus. There is a railway coming with Santa Claus here, and it looks wonderful. It looks wonderful for everybody. Everybody loves it.
Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you.
Everybody loves it. Small kids or their parents, everybody loves this decoration, this train. Look at the joy on the face of children. Amazing. Very nice decoration. Wonderful. Everybody loves it.